Meghalaya government intends to make Khyndai Lad stretch hawkers free by the end of November. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh today said that more than 200 registered hawkers will be relocated. Recently, he was given a presentation by the Urban Affairs Department on the place of action and the efforts to relocate around 200 hawkers in MTC and Muda building, and he also stressed on the need for the vendors to respect the equal rights of all the users of public space, including transporters, drivers and pedestrians.
The problem that the city is faced with, and which the Department of Urban Affairs is trying to address, is that there should be equal respect for the rights of all users of public space. And users of public space include transporters, drivers, pedestrians, and these vendors therefore should not in any way impinge upon the rights of motorists and pedestrians.